Having a heating division gives us an advantage over some of the other contractors out there because we have our own in-house heating team, which not many contractors do have.
We used to use subcontractors, but we just couldn't get control. I had a phone call from a client who said that we were supposed to be in the job that morning and we hadn't turned up, and I thought I'd got to change this experience. So within 7 days, I'd terminated the subcontractors agreement. I'd set up a complete structure in-house and we've reduced our rates that we can offer to the clients, so it's been much better. When we started, we was working for one housing association on the heating side. We've now got 3 contracts with housing associations and local authorities. We're doing about 10,000 properties per annum.
The scale of works that the heating division take on can be as small as capping off a gas meter in a void property to replacing a plant room in a block of flats.
So we do quite a bit of new build projects and we do lots and lots of social housing, either on just a repair and maintenance contracts or on new installations, changing boilers.
The qualities are maintained by our gas manager. He's always inspecting their works on a daily basis and always checking the certificates that are produced by the operatives on a daily basis. All our gas operatives are gas safe registered.
What's great for our clients is for a 24-hour emergency service and sort of Christmas Day, Boxing Day, 365 days a year, it's on tap, it's there.